At Pro Locations, we look into the future and see ourselves as the world's biggest relocation company with happy and satisfied customers. We hope to keep expanding at the rate we are right now. We're looking forward to pleasing even more customers, giving it our all to make them happy and satisfied. Pro Location, one of the biggest relocation companies in the world, have finally made their first step in what they themselves call the Great Expansion. We always try our best to develop new methods and make deals with new business partners that benefit our customers.
We always look to ensure the happiness of our employees so they can do their best to satisfy you. The happiness and satisfaction of our customers comes before anything else. Great service, low price. Relocation is our expertise, the expertise we have been perfecting for many years now. We're one of the best at the art of relocation. Pro Locations have existed for 15 years now, and we have always strived and succeeded in satisfying our customers. Our employees are happy and satisfied with the work they do to help you towards your goal.
Sure.
Pro Locations is a Danish company that offers professional consultancy to Danish and international companies who want to send their employees to foreign countries or engage foreign employees in Denmark.
Our customers, our priority. The happiness and satisfaction of our customers come before anything else. Great service, low price. We always try our best to develop new methods and make deals with new business partners that benefit our customers. Where do we work? We work all over the world. We are where you need us to be.